Guten Tag and hello from Germany. Here we are at the HafenCity in Hamburg. This is the newest landmark building of the city. It is called Elbphilharmonie and it is a concert hall. The hotel that we're going to visit in this episode is located in the same area. It is called 25 Hours Hotel. Let's begin with our hotel and room tour. The room that we booked is called medium room. It's a double bedroom and we paid around $130 for one night. Here you never have to sleep alone because the hotel is supporting you with a cuddle buddy. We are giving this modern hotel a very good rating with 4 out of 5 stars.